Hey guys, how's it going today? Today we're going to be installing a windshield from Start Night MT. This is, I've installed a windshield from them before. I have another video on that on a Kawasaki Mule 4010 model. This is a 2018 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT, and this is going to be the flip up windshield. They make quality products. All their hardware is good, easy to understand instructions. So let's get into it. Check it out. All right, so first things, you've got the lower portion of the windshield. You've got the upper portion. You can see the handle back there, and then it's gonna flip up. So you can open it for a breeze. The stuff that comes with it, all right, you got your gas struts. A couple anti-skid pieces that will go right here on your roll cage. You've got multiple different size straps to get this windshield secured. Easy to understand instructions. They always send a nice set of tools. If you don't have stuff on hand, all your stainless steel hardware, straps for the bottom of the lower portion windshield. You've got your nice heavy-duty metal clamps that will go up here that your gas strut connects to flip your windshield up. And yep, just some rubber pads to go on the inside of this so so it doesn't slide. Yep, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is get this lower portion. So this is going to sit right up against your roll bar. You'll see it's molded nicely to the hood of the machine. And it just sets right on there. So I leave all this plastic on until we're done, just because less chance of getting fingerprints all over it, and it keeps it clean. So the bottom slot here on both sides, this is going to be for your Velcro strap. We'll get these attached on there before we get it set exactly where we want it to be. All right. Always remember to peel this plastic back, or else you're going to be wishing you had when you put it all together and you put your straps through the plastic. Then it's going to be a pain trying to peel it off. All right. So now these two top holes, you're going to use these straps, and your stainless steel hardware is going to be 10 millimeter. All right, so the clamps do fit. What you're going to want to do, just to make sure you have a good fit, is I ran the screw back through, put the nut on the outside of the windshield. That was the easiest way I was able to get it to reach. So nut on the outside, and it will be a tight fit, but Just tighten it up. It'll hold, be good for you. All right, now that we've got that done, we're going to go on and put these strips on the windshield, on the roll bar actually. Surface for your windshield to mate to and not lay directly on the roll bar. Now, how high it needs to be. It might need to be above, just above this handle or below it, but we'll find out here in a minute. Just going to put it on there so it does not, just with 2 screws so it doesn't fall off. Take measurements and get it lined up exactly how it needs to be. We'll leave that there for now. We lock the handle in place and we're just dry fitting it right now. So just like on this bottom piece where you have the strap, you're going to have 2 straps up top on each side. And then we're going to adjust these brackets to where our struts mount and it opens up properly, and that'll be it. All right, let's check it out. Just a close-up of the windshield installed, windshield from Stark Night. You can see how snug it fits right across the hood of the machine. Very straightforward install. So again, it'll mount on both sides with the Velcro strap. Bottom section sits right across the hood. Your top section, put on these 2 brackets right here. You'll have to adjust those accordingly to how far you want the windshield to flip up. And of course the top is underneath the roof, so you get this, you know, completely, I would say, rainproof. Driving forward, you're good, being covered from the weather on the inside. There you have it. Easy flip up right here. just pops right up. You can ride around with it, with the airflow or with it shut. So as you can see, the Stark Night MT windshield, it's a fantastic windshield, blocks out all the wind, easy to open and close while you're driving. Simple installation, straightforward instructions. So next time you're looking for a windshield for your UTV, Kawasaki Mule, all other makes and models, they sell a bunch of different accessories for your whatever make or model you have. Go online, check out Stark Night MT, and get you some good products. Thank you and have a great day.